One bright afternoon, Mila and Matteo were playing in the living room. Mila had a bag of cookies hidden behind her back. Mila, are you eating cookies without sharing? Matteo asked suspiciously. Mila smiled cheekily but didn't answer. Matteo narrowed his eyes and said, let's find out. Mila, Mila, Mila. Yes, Matteo. Eating cookies, no Matteo.
Uh-oh.
Telling lies, no Matteo. Open your mouth. After catching Mila sneaking cookies, Matteo thought he might grab some candy from the jar without anyone noticing. He tiptoed to the kitchen, but Mila saw him. Hey, Matteo, are you eating candies? She asked with a grin. Matteo, yes, Mila. Eating candies, no, Mila. Telling lies, no, Mila. Open your mouth. Just then their papa walked into the room. He noticed the cookie crumbs on Mila's face and the candy wrapper near Matteo's hand. What's going on here? Papa asked with a playful smile. Are you two sneaking chocolates again? Mila and Matteo giggled nervously. Papa decided to join in the fun. Mila and Matteo. Yes, Papa. Eating chocolates, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Papa laughed and gave them both a big hug. All right, little snackers, let's share some cookies and chocolates together, he said, bringing out a big plate of treats. Mila and Matteo cheered, yay, family snack time. They all sat down, enjoying their snacks, and had a wonderful time together.
Yay!
Mila said, let's see inside. He took his stick and spun with pride. Crack, crank, one by one they popped. Each egg bounced and never stopped. Egg one cracked, it rolled away. Egg two shimmered like a ray. Egg three spun like a top. Egg four bounced with a little hop. Egg five burst in a flash of pink. Then all five eggs dropped near the sink. Suddenly the water swirled and something strange began to twirl. Come and see what Milo found. Five bright eggs upon the ground. Red and green, blue, pink and white. Each one glowing full of light. Old MacDonald had a dino park. E-I-E-I-O. And in that park he had a T-Rex. E-I-E-I-O. With a roar here and a roar there. Here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar. Old MacDonald had a dino park. E-I-E-I-O.
Oh no!
Hello, Mr. T-Rex. You're looking fierce today. Roar! I've been stomping and stretching my legs. T-Rex must be super strong. He sure is. That's why we must exercise too. Let's stomp and roar like T-Rex for fun and fitness. Old MacDonald had a dino park. E-I-E-I-O. And in that park he had a triceratops. E-I-E-I-O. With a chomp stomp here and a chomp stomp there. Here a chomp, there a chomp, everywhere a chomp. Old MacDonald had a dino park. E-I-E-I-O. Hey, triceratops! Enjoying your leafy lunch? Strike shocked! The tallest trees have the tastiest leaves. Wow, he's like a veggie-eating giraffe.